Welcome to Spice and Pans. Subscribe to our channel for our recipes weekly.
Hi, and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking fried eggs with tomatoes, or otherwise known as 番茄炒蛋. So let's start cooking. First, we need to remove the skin from the tomatoes. Prepare a bowl and make a cross on the tomato. Also prepare a bowl of ice water and of course hot boiling water too. First, we'll pour the hot water over the tomatoes. This is to loosen the skin from the tomatoes. Make sure that you sort of cover them up like this. Leave them for a few minutes and then we'll soak them into the ice water. When you see the skin cracking up like this, it's time to take them out and put them into the ice water. This will take around 2 minutes or so, 2 to 3 minutes. So remove from heat and put them into the ice water so it's easier to handle. When they have cooled down, just take it out from the ice bath and we'll remove the skin. Make sure you wash your hand. It's very simple, just peel the skin off like this. Right, just tear it down like this and continue with the rest. Very, very easy. After you peel them, we'll dice them into small pieces. Now we'll fry the eggs. First, heat up a pan with some oil. Put in the diced tomatoes. Add in 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Add in half a teaspoon of sugar. Mix them up well. Next, we add in half a cup of water, half a teaspoon of chicken stock. Give it a good mix, but do it gently. Try not to break up too much of the tomatoes. While waiting for this to come to a boil, break 4 eggs. Add in half a teaspoon of salt, some pepper too, and beat them up well. While this is boiling, add in some cornstarch solution just to thicken it up a little bit. The thickness like this will be fine. Now we'll pour in the eggs that we have been beating up. And pour it in slowly. While pouring it in, stir it up also like this. This is a very easy dish, very popular with kids and adults. Goes very well with rice. Right, you can see how beautiful this dish is. Just slowly stir it around until it's cooked. Okay, let's serve this. Depending on how you like your eggs to be, you can serve this now. Right, it's a little bit watery, fantastic on rice. Just put some on the rice and you'll really love this. Or if you like it to be cooked further, you can also. But I like it this way, so I'm going to serve it this way now. And ladies and gentlemen, this is how we cook our fried egg with tomatoes or 番茄炒蛋. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.